Today we are looking at this book. There's that many to look at. 128. You don't really need to look at that. Black, rumba. Size and speed, weapons, deadly rating. Transversal flat-tailed scorpion, picture of it, and its deadly rating, and weapon and speed and size. Nile crocodile, size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Then the picture of the crocodile. African hunting dog. That's the picture of it. And this is the size, speed, weapons, and rating. African fish eagle. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And the eagle picture. Great white shark. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. This one seems pretty bad. Honey badger, and then the picture of it, and then here's another picture. It says, left Buster the badger just before she went wild. Below, a honey badger takes a photo capable, and after his photo was taken, the badger enjoyed a meal of one of Africa's most level snakes in size, weapon, speed, and deadly rating. Blue-ringed octopus. That's the picture of it. And this is the size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Bottlenose dolphin. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating, and a picture of a dolphin. Tiger snake. And it has a black tongue. It seems pretty scary. And the size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Bluefin tuna. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. That's the picture of it. Platypus. Its dangerous claw. Side speed, weapons, and deadly rating, and the picture of the actual platypus. Australian giant cuttlefish, picture of it. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. This is a better picture of it, and a prettier one. Saltwater crocodile, picture of it eating something. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And that's them, the picture of it, and then taping their mouth so it doesn't bite them or eat them. Frilled lizard. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. Enter the picture. Ghost bat. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating, and the bat. Paralyzes tick. That's them crawling into people's skin. And then it could also be this. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Place monitor, the picture of it, and then another picture, and size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Redback spider. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating, and then a picture of it on its web. Bengal tiger. 2 pictures of it. And then size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Gharial. Picture. Another picture. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Asian elephant. Pictures of it. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Praying mantis. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating, and then a picture of it. King cobra. Picture. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Next page. Sloth bear. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And then a picture of the sloth bear. Wrinkle-lipped bat. Pictures of it flying in the air. And then size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. Scorchia. Picture of it on its web. Picture of it by itself. And then size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Regulated python. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. Mantis shrimp. Picture of it. And then another picture. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. Chevron Bacadura. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. Picture of it. Lionfish. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And the picture of it. Gannet. Picture of it. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating, and another picture. Kumonopter. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And a picture of it. Raft spider. Picture. Another picture. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Purgine. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And that's a picture of it. It doesn't look that dangerous, but apparently it's really dangerous. Goshawk. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating, and the picture of it. Adder. Picture of 2 of them. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. Polar bear. Picture. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Wolverine. 1 picture of it, 2nd picture. And then size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Bald eagle. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. And then the picture of the bald eagle. Brown bear. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating, and a picture of it. Tiger rattlesnake. Picture. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Harris Hawk. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. Mountain lion. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And then a picture of it. And then all this writing about it. Alligator gar. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And then the picture. Cottonmouth. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And then a picture. Alligator snapping turtle. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. And then another picture of its mouth. Garden reef shark. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. And then that's the picture of it. Tiger shark. Pretty scary. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. And then that's another picture. Great hammerhead shark. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. And then number 108. Then the picture of it and all the writing. Lemon shark. Picture of it. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Then another picture. Black piranha. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. And then another picture. Pink river dolphin. I never knew dolphins could be that scary. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating, and another picture. Gos's bird eating spider. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating, and a picture of it. Lance. Picture of it. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating, and all the writing. Electric eel. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. And then a picture of the electric eel. Golden poison dark frog. Size, speed, weapons, deadly rating. And then a golden frog. Army ants. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating. Common vampire bat. Size, speed, weapons, and deadly rating, and another picture. And then it's done, and it just has all that writing about the index.